पक्षियों की तरह उड़ना देखने में काफी आसान लगता है, लेकिन इसके पीछे कड़ी मशक्कत। और ये कैडेट हिमांशु, तीसरे पैरासेलर, उन्हें गुमान है कि मेरी उड़ान कम है, मुझे यकीन कि आसमान कम है। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री भी तालियां बजाकर अभिवादन करते हुए इन युवा योद्धाओं का।
Well, as we saw Sergeant Jatin, Cadet Rashi, Cadet Himanshu, one wonders what a feeling it must be to be suddenly airborne, Colonel.
जी हाँ, ये देखने में जितना आसान लगता है, इसके पीछे कई घंटे की मेहनत, पसीना, आपको तीव्र हवा के गति के विपरीत दौड़ना पड़ता है।
And people here in attendance have their cameras out to capture these beautiful moments as now we see the tableaus coming nearer to the saluting dais.
थल सेना की झांकी। एनसीसी के तीनों विंगों में थल सेना के कैडेट्स की संख्या सबसे अधिक है। इसके अंतर्गत कैडेट्स को ड्रिल, हथियारों का प्रशिक्षण, फायरिंग, मैप रीडिंग, शारीरिक योग्यता आदि अनेक गतिविधियों का प्रशिक्षण दिया जाता है, जिसका वर्णन इस झांकी में किया जा रहा है। एनसीसी अपने कैडेट्स को सिखाती है कि कोई भी बाधा इतनी बड़ी नहीं होती कि उसे पार न किया जा सके। एक दृढ़ प्रतिज्ञ व्यक्ति विश्व को झुका ही देता है।
Well, cadets undergo training related to field craft, battle craft and map reading. We have all learned maps in geography in our school, but when it comes to the armed forces and the cadets, even for the naval wing, map is an important tool.
अगली झांकी नौसेना की झांकी, उन गतिविधियों का वर्णन जिसका प्रशिक्षण कैडेट एनसीसी में लेते हैं।
Exposure is provided to the cadets to various facets of naval life like sailing, ship life, ship modeling and design. The sailing boat displayed on the tableau is the Enterprise class boat. And the air tableau after the naval tableau. So we can see the microlights flying in the formation they are creating. They are executing 3 aircraft formation. Tell us more about the microlight aircraft.
These are Zen microlights, a small light plane which weighs around 430 kgs, ordinarily powered by a 450cc 4-cylinder engine, and it can fly at a speed of around 80 miles per hour. And the naval wing has been relying on this for the training of their cadets, and it can fly up to 14,000 feet.
And we now have the tableau of social services and community development. Social services is so very important part of the cadet here at the NCC, whether it's the field of immunization, blood donation, yoga, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, tree plantation, environmental conservation. These cadets have played a pivotal role. As we can see, the cadets watering the plants, spreading the eco-friendly message, and Prime Minister has always stressed that if it is not sustainable, it is not development.
जी हाँ, सामाजिक क्षेत्र में महत्वपूर्ण योगदान कैडेट्स का।
Meanwhile, the microlight landing is also spectacular, and one of the defining moments in just a bit will be when one of the microlights will land and a cadet will come out with a message for all of us. Now, what will be that message? Wait and watch.
अभी आपने देखा था 3 माइक्रोलाइट, उन्हीं में से एक अभी मैदान में उतरता हुआ। अगली झांकी एनसीसी के योगदान के बारे में। भीषण संघर्षों एवं चुनौतियों का वर्ष 2020, जब पूरी दुनिया कोरोना के भय से आशंकित थी, एनसीसी के कैडेट्स ने इस वैश्विक महामारी में सेवा एवं समर्पण की नई इबारत लिखते हुए अभूतपूर्व कार्य किया। एनसीसी के महानिदेशालय द्वारा 1 अप्रैल 2020 को एक्सरसाइज योगदान का आगाज किया गया। देश के चारों कोनों में 1.5 लाख से भी ज्यादा कैडेट्स ने अपनी इच्छा एवं निस्वार्थ भाव से विभिन्न तरीके से योगदान किया। जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं अमित, किस प्रकार कैडेट माननीय प्रधानमंत्री के सामने पेश करते हुए।
So even as the microlight aircraft continues to land in the background, We see multiple things happening. Here we see young cadets dressed in the PPE and helping out create awareness among the people at large on the COVID. And now, under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, as India has developed multiple vaccines, one would also rely on the NCC to help in awareness of the vaccination program as well. Whether it was distributing rations, manning COVID-19 helplines and data centers, NCC cadets have played a very important role.
इसी बीच आप देखें अमित किस प्रकार वो तीसरा माइक्रोलाइट मैदान में उतरता हुआ.
Well, as far as microlight formation is concerned, today it was led by Wing Commander Mudaliar and Group Captain Vinod. One more aircraft was piloted by Wing Commander Narayan and Cadet Mansi Badoria. And the third aircraft was piloted by Wing Commander Grime and Group Captain Shiv Kumar.
कोविड की विभिन्न गतिविधियां, अमूल्य योगदान. Here comes the third microlight, which has just landed. It has taken a U-turn and it is trying to come towards the dais. There is something in store for us. As you see a cadet coming out of this microlight.
And she's carrying a message. That's Cadet Mansi Badoria.
Mansi Badoria running towards the Prime Minister. She has a message. Let us see what is in store for us this morning. It appears as if a message has come from the heaven. Here it goes. Rashtra Sarva Pratham, nation first. Our heart to love you, O motherland. One undivided soul, one hope, one purpose, one devotion towards a great divine goal. And this noble goal is nation.